All right, thanks for reading through those slides. So hopefully by now you're able to somewhat piece together the different pieces of an email and know what their purpose is, or at least where they go. So let's look at what it might be like to put it all together into one email and talk about the different pieces here. So our first one here is, who are you writing your email to? It will not go anywhere unless you fill this out correctly. If you are emailing a teacher or another student in Poudre School District, you can just start typing in their name and it will populate for you, so that should be pretty easy. Just always make sure that it's the right teacher. Sometimes it goes to the wrong teacher, so make sure it's the right one. Next, we don't have to worry about the CC line, but after that we have the subject line. Very important. This is like in your inbox. It's the first thing that we're going to see. It's the first thing you will see too on your emails, but it tells us what is this purpose of this email, and does it require like an immediate response? Can it wait 10 minutes? It really helps us understand what you need from us, and same for you when you get your email. So this is really perfect here. It just says Jane Doe. I know who it's from, and then question about Tuesday's writing prompt. Awesome. So I know she's going to need a little bit of help with the writing assignment she's working on right now. I can dive right in and help her. Okay. Next is the greeting. Guys, there's a human being behind the computer screen, right? They are here. They want to say hi to you, and they hope that you say hello. It's not like texting where you're just like, all right, here's what I need from you. Please bring me Taco Bell or whatever, okay? Please say hello. It's formal. It's nice. We appreciate it. So hello, Mrs. Panther. How nice. I had a question about Tuesday's writing prompt from our Google Meets class. Boom. As the teacher, I'm like, I know exactly what she's talking about. She was very specific. If she just said, hey, I have a question about writing, that could mean anything, right? It's very specific. Tuesday's writing prompt. Got it. Do we have to answer all of the prompts, and how long does each response have to be? Boom. I got it. I know exactly what she needs. I know what she's talking about. I can email her back immediately. She can get going on what she needs to do. It's going to be awesome. All right. So really needs to be concise in the body here is what we call that. We need to know what is your issue and how can we help you with it. Got to be really concise. Okay. Very specific. And then finally, because we are formal, a nice thank you at the end, and then your name once again. Just a nice way to close that. We call that the signature. We know who it's from one more time, and just a nice way to end it. So guys, we're going to be looking at your emails to look very, very similar, if not the same, to something like this, okay? Because that's exactly what we need from you in order to get you what you need fastest and to keep ourselves organized.